Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Peasy. Today I'm going to show you how to comb your hair properly. First, you make sure you have hair. And secondly, make sure you have a comb. Now, if your hair is plenty, that means you need a bigger comb. For this hair of mine, I need a comb like this. To comb your hair, first put the comb at the back of your hair and work your way through to the tip of your hair like this. Gently comb your hair from the back to the front. Do this repeatedly until your hair is nicely combed and standing straight like a gentleman. Comb the side, and there you go. Easy, right? If you have something else you need me to show you how to do, don't forget to leave a comment. Until then, keep it easy peasy.